Hillsborough County in northeastern Colorado until 4:15 p.m. At 3:37 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line from 6 miles north of Manila Village to 9 miles south of Strasburg, or along the line from 26 miles east of Denver to 33 miles east of Denver, moving northeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include